mystery of salted stonehead fish, from salt in the Java Sea to the risk on our plates. Have you ever seen the black spots on salted fish, or wondered why its head is as hard as stone? This documentary video will take us on a journey through the footsteps of stonehead salted fish, a delicacy that is full of controversy. And look, this is the skin of the salted stonehead fish, and later you will find in this video that there are black spots between the fins, tail, and skin. We will uncover the secrets behind its dark spots, delve into its origins in the Indonesian archipelago, and explore its unique nutritional content. We'll even reveal the health benefits and risks we often don't realize. Watch until the end. Behind its mouth-watering savory deliciousness lies a long, mysterious journey. This isn't just salted fish. It is the result of a meeting between ancient preservation science, the natural power of the sun, the Indonesian sea, and a physical character that earned it the name, the stonehead. What's the real secret behind the black spots on its skin and fins? Which part actually holds the highest nutritional value? And who should think twice before eating it? Let's explore together. Chapter 1. The Black Spot Riddle and Geographical Origins. The first question that often arises is, are these dark spots normal or dangerous? As we discussed earlier, these are generally natural signs. The process of fat oxidation under the hot sun during drying, as well as the action of certain enzymes, often leaves this dark pigmentation, especially in fat-rich areas, such as near the fins and skin. As long as it doesn't have a distinct foul or moldy odor, it's safe to eat once cooked. But where exactly does this unique salted fish originate? Is it unique to Indonesia? This is what makes it special. Salted stonehead fish is a culinary signature of Indonesia. Although the raw fish used, such as kurisi fish, is also found in other Southeast Asian waters, it's also a staple. This processed product with the characteristic of a stone-hard head is the fruit of the tradition of salting and drying, which has been passed down through generations in the archipelago. So abroad, you might find salted fish, but not the real stonehead salted fish. Chapter 2. Why is his head as hard as a rock? The answer lies in the extreme preservation process. The name stonehead is a perfect metaphor. The fish head, with its dense bone and tissue structure, is completely dehydrated by salt and sun. The absorbed water makes the tissue very hard, like stone. This is the product's natural defense. Meanwhile, the salty part clearly refers to the primary method, salting. Chapter 3. The treasure is hidden in the nutrition of the skin, fins, and tail. We often focus only on the meat. However, this part, often considered a byproduct, is actually a storehouse of unique nutrients. The skin is rich in collagen, which is good for joints and skin beauty. It's also a source of healthy fats and vitamin D. The fins and tail are primarily composed of cartilage and connective tissue. These are natural sources of glucosamine and chondroitin, which are good for joint health. Chewing the soft bones also provides a boost of calcium and phosphorus. Well, that's why these parts are so edible and common. Their texture becomes crispy when fried, or soft when cooked for a long time in broth. So don't waste them. Chapter 4. Warnings and who should be careful? However, behind all this deliciousness and nutrition, there's one factor that dominates salt. Here, we must be very critical. Salt content, both the meat and the skin, are very high in salt. The salt in the skin may be more concentrated because it is the first layer exposed. The drying process doesn't add salt, but rather thickens the existing saltiness by evaporating the water. The excessive effects of consuming too much and too often are at high risk of causing hypertension, burdening the kidneys, and dehydration. This group is strongly advised to limit or avoid consuming salted stonehead fish, including its skin and fins. The first group includes people with hypertension and heart failure. The second group includes people with kidney failure or chronic kidney disease. And the third group includes people who require a low-salt and low-protein diet, such as those with certain liver conditions, such as cirrhosis. For those of us who are healthy, the key is to consume sensibly. Before cooking, soak it in water to reduce the salt, and cook until completely cooked. So, salted stonehead fish is more than just a side dish. It's a symbol of culinary heritage, traditional preservation techniques, and a reminder of moderation. Its black spots are a record of its journey under the sun. Its stone head is evidence of its physical transformation. The nutritional content of the skin and fins is a hidden surprise, and the high salt content is a sign that we should be careful when enjoying it. By understanding it fully, we can better appreciate every bite. If you have any experiences or favorite recipes using salted stonehead fish, please share them in the comments. If you see something shiny on the skin, those are the scales, because the scales are shiny because there are salt crystals stuck to the scales. And the dark brown color that you see like the shape of small stones, it is salt that is formed and is dark brown due to the effect of long drying under the hot sun. And the shape of the wavy water like on the beach, it comes from the fish scales, not the skin. The scales are on the fish's skin to protect the fish from scratches when swimming in the ocean and to keep the body warm from the cold ocean. And I emphasize once again, the black spots are not dangerous and are the effect of storing in a damp room. So, I hope this video is meaningful and helpful to you. Share it with your immediate family and friends if this is important to you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more microscope explorations with us. See you in the next video, which will be even more exciting and full of science drama.